us for a Halloween photo shoot as I turn Peppa into a ghost. Good boy. So I'm going to take this sheet, or this pillowcase, and put it over Peppa. Good boy. It'll be real quick. Okay. And then I'm going to use this permanent marker and just mark real quick where his eyes and nose are, roughly, so that I know where to cut. Good boy. Aww. He looks even cuter than I thought he would. Look at those little eyebrows and his little whiskers. Good boy. Good boy, sit up. Sit up. Treat. Do you want a kiss? Do you want a treat? You want treat? You want treat? Last location, ready to be done. He's ready for dinner. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Perfect. He's perfect. Aww. No. All right. Alright, let's go inside. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more ghost videos, put your request in the comments. We could do a photo shoot together. It's okay. He was a good boy. Tell him he was a good boy in the comments. Bye. Bye. It's Peppa's dinner time. Peppa's gonna get dinner now. Bye.